is the coconut flavored. I'm going to add coconut milk with that one. It's a cream of broccoli. So first of all, sanitation, respectation, I'm going to wash my hands. Alright, let's go. First of all, heat your pan. Heat the pan and add some butter. A little bit, not too much. So let it be melt. So until it melts, you can cut diced onion here. And I'm going to use celery and onion dice. So you can cut celery dice. We call this one mirepoix. That means any aromatic vegetable or herbs you can use just for flavoring purposes. So today I'm going to use celery and onion, and I'm going to saute it, sweat it a little bit with the butter and oil mixture. So we call this one sweating, a little bit cooking, just to get the flavor out. While it is being cooked, I can use broccoli today. This is broccoli. I'm going to dice it small pieces, and I'm going to add with this one just to sweat at the same time. And mix them together just to cook evenly. When the vegetable, the broccoli and the onion, when we understand it's cooked almost 80%, now you can add a little bit of water to 3 cups. And simmer it. Simmer means no bubbling, no boiling. You cannot see bubbling when you are doing simmer. So let it be slowly cooked. When I realize it is cooked now, I'm going to get blender. I'm going to blend it. So I have an electric blender here. You can use the electric blender. So you have to blend this mixture until it gets the smooth consistency. So I decided my blending is perfect for me, and then I again reheat again, and at the same time you have to get the impurities out, which is the suspension here. So take a spoon or something, whatever you can, take this suds out. If not, the soup is going to be cloudy. Add coconut cream, because my intention is make a cream of broccoli with coconut flavor. This is coconut cream. I add now about 1 cup or 1.5 cup. A little bit. And mix them very well. Just for flavoring, again I add a little bit vegetable base just for flavor. Not too much because it's saltiness coming. Therefore careful when you add the base, just to control the saltiness of the soup. And you can check your saltiness whether enough salt is there. Yeah, enough salt is there. Then I'm going to add a little bit pepper. Much better if you can use white pepper, but I use the black pepper now. And I'm going to add a little bit tarragon leaves. I'm going to add my thickening agent now, because I realize my consistency is not enough for me. So therefore I'm going to thicken it a little bit. I use today different kind of thickening agent. You can use roux, one thing. And I'm going to use today beurre, that's mean even portion of butter and flour. So it is the fast thickening agent for me. So even portion flour and butter mixed together and mix them very well. And mix them together very well. So I'm going to add a little bit, reduce the temperature. And whisk it until the beurre dissolves with the soup. My soup is now ready. So I'm going to give the serve now. My service is going to be started for my family members or my guests. Anybody you have, you can serve now. My soup is ready. My saltiness is good. My other flavor is good. Now the time for serving. Take the soup bowl. Take a ladle if you have at home, if not regular spoon. And wipe the plate rim nicely. Don't keep anything on the rim. Keep them nice. A very clean cloth you have to use, that one. And I'm going to use this soup to be garnished with watercress, fresh watercress. You can use anything you can use. You can use a sprig of parsley or watercress. Anything you like, a greenish, because my soup is green color, therefore greenish edible leaves you can use it. So today I decided to use watercress. You can use parsley or something else. And my soup is ready now. So I'm going to plate them, keep them on a plate, another accompanying plate. And this is my soup today. The soup is cream of broccoli, the coconut flavored, because I add coconut cream with that. So how I did perform, you saw that one. How I did beurre, that's one of the thickening agent. You can use roux, it's another thickening agent. Another day I will show you how to make the roux. So I made today beurre, it is universal. Anywhere I go in the world, every chef knows that one. So today's soup is cream of broccoli, coconut flavored. This is ready for your guests and your family members right now. Until I see you again, enjoy, have a nice day, see you again, bye bye.